Alright guys, you guys are currently watching the video right now. It's live streaming. It's actually premiering on YouTube right now. We are in the middle of making you guys tear up in a way, because that car was a lot. It meant a lot to me. I built the car with my friends, and at the end of the day, the car built my character. It built this, basically is a big part of my life. So in reality, it's kind of like the car also helped me build my life and who I am today. Well, the next move right now is we are going to have this trailer, have this truck, and whatever's back there. It's a Nissan S-16 with a V8 in it.
You wouldn't have that problem with a V8.
Clean. I'm actually out in Bristol, PA right now, just checking it out, and I think it's going to be huge for the channel. We are going to do as much as we possibly can to this car. Definitely something that I'm not used to, but we are here to make a daily drift car which is reliable. It has heat, it has AC. We can go onto the track and not have to worry about anything. It brings more content, and that's what the ideal goal is right now. So we are at the bank, we are situating the money, and we are going to bring home a 2001 Corvette. He's got about 358 horsepower on it. I think it's making just a little bit more on torque. This is something that I really don't know, but with the help of a couple of guys at Vet Nuts, Part Shop Max, and a coilover company, this is going to be sick. I'm gonna go call Chris Sempak over at Kansai Wheels and see if he is still down to sponsor the car, because this is definitely out of the range of the JDM market, but we are going to make it happen. So the auto tag situation is done. We have the temp tags, we have the temp plates, we have everything. Special thanks to Brian. Out with you guys when we get back to the shop, put it on the lift, see what we can do, and then start the build. All right, bud, I know you feel how I felt a couple days ago, so yeah, man, it's a beautiful car. Thanks for keeping it in good shape for us, and we'll make you proud.
I hope you have a good outcome with it.
You got it, man. Take care. So the car's home right now. We just stopped to make a pit stop because my sister wanted to see the car. We're gonna see what she says, but here's the car, man. It's the Vet. We got a Corvette. It's bigger than the Super, really. Paint's clean. Grab some food, and then we're going to head to the shop, meet up with the boys, and yeah, we're gonna unload this thing and see how she drives for the first time. See you in a bit. At the shop right now. Chris Snap is outside, and he's staring at this champagne looking thing. Let's get this thing off the trailer and we go from there. So, yo! What do you think, bud?
I think we have a project. I thought I brought gloves, but I didn't.
I got gloves.
Alright. I don't care. I won't use gloves. You can use gloves. Hi.
All right,
oh wait. So when when I showed up, I was able to actually watch the video, and I was like, oh god.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, no.
You watched the video? I got like 15 phone calls, and I was like, oh, dude, this is so bad, man. But new adventures, bro. New adventures.
Yo, shout out to Cletus.
Yo, is that Cletus? 1320?
Well, he's part of it, I think.
Oh, thank you again for checking out that black one.
Yeah, so far I'm looking at it, the paint seems so much better on this thing.
So we checked out like maybe 4 or 5 vets all week. Chris drove the first vet. I didn't even drive this one yet.
You didn't drive this one?
I didn't drive it.
Are you?
No. We're gonna.
All right, well, we're gonna
just figure it out.
All right.
Dude, you see how pristine this thing is? The other one this clean or no?
No.
No?
No.
So,
dude, the radiator cracked.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The rad cracked on this on
the other one.
On this one, but it's over 15
I almost
times.
Just looking at it right now, I know it's dark and I can't really judge it, but I almost feel bad.
What?
That we're gonna destroy it.
Dude, my dad was, because my dad took the ride with me, he was literally looking at me like, you are he's like, you should just sell this thing because it's mint, but yeah, it might need a clutch. Heads up. But it's
all right. Well, you know where the clutch is in this thing?
Yeah, I know.
No, wait. Is the clutch
Did
up
you see how I had
there, or
to
is it
strap
back
this
here?
thing down?
Yeah.
It's a little sketch.
You know, we don't have to do it again because it's got plates. Kind of. It's late.
No, I never had taillights before. Not working taillights.
Yes, you have your truck.
Oh yeah, that's true. But yeah, let's get this thing off.
Yes.
You better call Taylor.
Yeah.
You better call Taylor Ray and be like,
I'm gonna send a picture to him right now.
oh my god. Well, I know you're cold. You've been here all day.
The ones who heard my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Bye-bye. Oh, I was not centered. I wasn't looking. I was looking at... It sounds pretty good, dude.
Bro, this thing fucking
Oh my god.
This thing rips, dude. And not even like...
It hooks.
Yeah, not even dicking around right now, but this is by far the coolest car. I mean, besides a Supra and everything else, but like, this is like, you step on the gas, it is all power. And don't mind the clutch thing, because we might need a new clutch, but we need an aggressive clutch for drifting anyway. It's just more along the lines of like, this thing feels great, handles great, feels well. I've never driven a car that feels like this. I mean, this is a sports car, so.
Matt Field did say it was a cheater car.
It smells like clutch in here, so that's all I got.
Wait, oh my god.
You know what I'm talking about?
Ah!
Yeah, I know.
There's so much room back here, dude. So much room for activities.
I guess.
What kind of activities?
Right, I gotta air this fucker out. It smells like dog shit.
Oh, my fingers hurt. All right.
Dude, we're gonna break this thing before we even like.
Woo!
Come on, people. What you doing here?
All right.
Puzo, what do you think of the car?
Oh, this is nice.
Come on, start it up, cop.
Oh, that's a V8.
What?
That's a V8.
Is it?
Oh, it even wiggles too.
Where's the squeak?
What happened to the squeak?
This shit's gone, bro. Problem solved. I found out why it was hard to drift this thing. I found out why it's hard. 275s. 275s.
Let her eat. Where's the turbos? Thank you, Chris. Thanks for searching with me. Monica, thanks for having an awesome boyfriend. You're going straight through the rack. The e-brake don't work.
What would you say?
Yo, you look like you should be driving this car right now.
Look at his neck. Shit's forward. Now it's back. But...
Oh yeah, because
Dude, I can't even see.
Yo, there's a squirrel. Look outside, bro.
yo, I got this much room.
Yo, what do you think, bro?
I like it. How much you want to sell it for? How about I give you 2 pickup trucks and 5?
Yo, your mom would kill you. You rolled
Yo,
up.
I couldn't even put this in my driveway. It's too like. Please like, share, subscribe if you want to see more Merc.
Smash that like button.
Notification bell. Yo, where should we go?
One.
No, I'm not fucking ready. Please like, share, subscribe if you want to see more Merc.
Smash that like.
Notification bell.
Oh, say it.
Please like, share, subscribe if you want to see something merry.
He's got 1 too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the 40 clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.